it's back to school time. So it's time to wash all of your lunch kits and your kids' backpacks so you don't have to buy new ones. But also, like, this is a good thing to do throughout the year so that you can just maintain them so they don't get gross and you have to buy a new one every single year. So they wash up actually really easily if you know the proper steps. So some of these have like extra crusty leftover lunches from the last day of school in them. So first things first, before we spot treat them with any type of stain, I want to get rid of like that stuff so it doesn't go in my washing machine. So with all stains, especially ones that are set in and things that are like backpacks, we want to pre-treat the stains. So we're using our favorite Tide Rescue or Tide Laundry Stain Remover, which usually lifts everything. We'll see how it does today. And I'm just gonna spray them, let them sit for a little bit, then we're gonna wash them in the washing machine. Now I'm going to spray. So, now I'm gonna spray. So look how dirty this is from putting the putting her backpack down on the ground. So we're gonna spray this all. Again, I just wanna treat the bad spot. She's got a couple scuff marks somewhere I saw. I'll see this one right here. Scuff or dirt, who knows? When you're 11, what it could be. Just the dirtiest is where they put on the floor, like on the bus. Better check and make sure I signed her up for the bus. Oh God, I'm gonna have to drive all year. Okay, next. And anything that's high touch area. See this? Like, it's all wherever they're gonna grab onto it with their grubby little paws. I'm just gonna wanna check the inside here. Like, what is this? I don't think, this is plastic. I don't think Tide Stain Remover is like made to take stains out of plastic, but you know, sometimes we find hacks for everything. And with Tide Stain Remover, I call it Tide Laundry Stain Remover because that was the original name of it. Now it's Tide Rescue and Tide Laundry Stain Remover. So, tomato. But with this stuff, you can spray it and let it sit for up to 7 days. But like, you know, a couple hours is best, or sorry, a couple hours works. Or look at my counter. But you can leave it out overnight or up to 7 days and like just throw it in the laundry hamper. Okay, and did I do this one? I didn't do this. This black one isn't really gonna be that that satisfying, but whatever. You never know when stuff is like darker colors. This is what I think about suitcases that are black, like what's living in them. So because these have lots of like strings on them, I'm going to wash them in a laundry bag so that they don't get tangled up in my agitator of my washing machine. I'm also sorting these as best as I can by color. I think this one could go with that one, eh? Yeah. And then we're gonna wash them. Off to the laundry room we go. Okay, I'm actually washing this in liquid Tide this time because I'm gonna wash in cold, which I find it's better when I'm washing in cold to use liquid laundry detergent. It just dissolves better. Also, when it's like a canvasy material, sometimes the powdered laundry detergent like sticks to it and it doesn't dissolve. So just lessons learned in the history of my life. Should really put something over here so that I don't have it unbalanced. Maybe a towel or something. Let's find a brown towel or a gray towel. Okay, so because this is gonna be an off-balance load and my machine will shake, I'm just gonna throw in 2 towels. Bing, bang, bosh, let's do this, okay? So we're gonna go cool. I don't wanna wash them in hot because I don't want them to get misshapen, and heavy duty, and then we're gonna go start. And honestly, that's how easy it is to clean your backpacks for back to school. So you don't have to buy a brand new one every single time that your kids go back to school. Same goes with the lunch kits, but please remember to do this like on a regular basis. Don't just do it once a year. If you do it a couple of times a year, it's gonna maintain the backpacks and make them last a much longer time. If you have any comments below on like any tips and tricks that we could use to keep our stuff fresh and clean that you want us to try out, leave it in the comments below, and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, please.